Okay, so on a 2013 Fusion, we're doing a fog light today. Well, I'm changing both fog lights because I believe this is the rock that did this to my fog light. Took out the bulb and the glass, obviously. So I'm changing that with this guys. I got them on eBay. I think I paid like $27. And obviously they're not Ford, but they'll do. And I got two because the other one isn't broken, but it's just very dirty and I cannot clean that. I mean, that's just from little tiny stones off the road just destroying it like it did my windshield. But that's another story. So in order to change it, you have to take this cover out, and it probably got 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 17, probably like 23 fasteners you're gonna have to remove. These are gonna be your T30 Torx, just like your engine cover, and these guys right here are 7mm. So you're gonna have a bunch in the front, and then you got those stupid little push pin things where you unthread them and they come out a little bit, and then you pull them out the rest of the way. And then over here you're gonna have 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. 3 of those 7mm bolts, and it's the same thing on the other side. So after you get that cover out of the way, you have access to the fog light. And the fog light, and this is, ow, you're gonna have to do this to change the bulb as well, because it's right here. So in order to change the bulb, you know, you just quarter turn and then you pull it out. Yeah. So obviously that one's good, I'm not gonna take it out, but in order to remove the connector, there's this little tab right here. Just push on it and then you can release it. So it's gonna be like this. Come on. No, I'm putting it up the wrong way. So that's in right now. So right here, I know it's difficult to tell. There we go, that's a better picture. So you take that tab right there, you push in on it, and then you just pull down, and then that's it. And then when you go to put it back in, you'll hear this snap. And that's all you gotta do. If you are replacing your fog light, there's this one bolt right here, which is a 7mm. And then there's another one right there. And then that's it. To remove it. And then just reverse the procedure to reinstall it. A lot to go through for a freaking fog light, but gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, have fun.